Everybody knows that DJI is pretty much the king of drone mountain. Their Phantom 4 is the undisputed champ of the drone world, and it has been for some time. But now we've finally got a contender, the Typhoon H from Yuneec. This drone is a clear shot at DJI's jugular. In addition to being $100 cheaper than the Phantom 4, the Typhoon H boasts a number of features that you won't find on DJI's platform. First and foremost, it's got 6 rotors, and it only needs 5 to fly. That means if you lose one rotor for some reason, the drone will automatically adjust and keep flying as if nothing happened. And unlike the Phantom 4 camera, which can only pan up and down, the Typhoon H camera can actually swivel in 360 degrees, and the landing gear retracts at the flip of a switch so that it doesn't get in the way of your shots. It's also armed with obstacle avoidance tech. Now, truth be told, the Phantom 4 has this too, but while the Phantom Sense and Avoid tech is visual, the Typhoon uses sonar, which means that it can still avoid obstacles in complete darkness. The H also comes with its own dedicated controller, or ground station as they like to call it. This thing is a beast. It's got knobs and buttons to adjust everything under the sun, and it has a built-in touchscreen. That means you don't have to own a tablet or smartphone in order to use it. On top of that, it's also got a number of smart flying modes like cable cam, orbit, follow me, and watch me, which allow you to relinquish control of the drone and just focus on what the camera is doing. Now, the cool part is that you can actually connect more than one controller to the drone. You can actually connect 2 and have one person control the camera and then one person control the drone. Both the Phantom 4 and the Typhoon H are clearly great drones, but when you take into consideration the fact that the Typhoon H has a 360-degree camera, a dedicated controller with a built-in 7-inch touchscreen, and the ability to connect to 2 controllers at once, it's clear that it is the better choice for filmmakers.